In this video, we're overclocking the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F APU all the way up to 5250 MHz in 5 minutes or less using the ASUS ROG Crosshair X670E Hero motherboard and custom loop water cooling. I'll speedrun you through the BIOS settings and provide some notes and tips along the way. Please note that this is for entertainment purposes only and not the whole picture. Don't just copy my settings and apply them to your system. If you want to learn how to overclock this kind of a system, have a look at the longer SkatterBencher video that's already up on this channel. Alright, let's do this. When you've entered the BIOS, switch to the Extreme Tweaker menu. Set AI Overclock Tuner to Expo 1. That makes the memory run at our Expo rated frequency of DDR5 6400 and associated primary memory timings and voltages. Switch to the Advanced menu. Enter the AMD Overclocking submenu. This will provide us with all the advanced AMD CPU overclocking tools. Enter the DDR and Infinity Fabric frequency timings submenu. Here we can adjust the system memory configuration as well as tune the Infinity Fabric and memory controller. Since we are using the Expo settings for this guide, we'll only fine-tune the Infinity Fabric and memory controller frequency. Enter the Infinity Fabric frequency and dividers submenu. Set uClock div1 mode to uClock equals memclock. This forces the memory controller to run at the same frequency as the system memory. Our memory frequency will be DDR5 6400, which is 3200 MHz. So the memory controller will run at 3.2 GHz. Leave the Infinity Fabric frequency and dividers submenu. Leave the DDR and Infinity Fabric frequency timings submenu. Enter the Precision Boost Overdrive submenu. Here we can use the AMD Precision Boost Overdrive 2 toolkit to increase the power, current and frequency headroom of the Precision Boost 2 boosting algorithm. Set Precision Boost Overdrive to Advanced. Set PBO limits to motherboard. This adjusts the PBO platform parameters, PPT, TDC and EDC, according to the motherboard order rules. On this motherboard, we find that the following values have changed. Set CPU Boost Clock Override to Enabled Positive. That unlocks the ability to increase the CPU's programmed IFMax or maximum frequency up to 200 MHz in steps of 25 MHz. Set Max CPU Boost Clock Override to 200. This increases the IFMax of the 8 Zen 4 CPU cores from 5050 MHz to 5250 MHz. Enter the Curve Optimizer submenu. Here's where the real magic happens, as Curve Optimizer allows us to fine-tune the VF curve for each core in a positive or negative direction. On Ryzen 8000F processors, we can set the Curve Optimizer for all cores or per core. Set Curve Optimizer to per core. Set Core 0 to Core 7 Curve Optimizer sign to negative. Setting a negative offset means the CPU will use less voltage for a given frequency and boost to a higher frequency at a specific voltage. Note that the Curve Optimizer settings are highly CPU specific, so you should find the best values for your CPU rather than copying mine. I set the Curve Optimizer magnitude for each core according to my test result. Set Core 0 Curve Optimizer magnitude to 35. Set Core 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7 Curve Optimizer magnitude to 20. Set Core 2 Curve Optimizer magnitude to 25. Set Core 3 Curve Optimizer magnitude to 15. Leave the Curve Optimizer submenu. Leave the Precision Boost Overdrive submenu. Enter the SoC Uncore OC mode submenu. Here we can enable OC mode for the SoC Uncore IP blocks, which forces the Infinity Fabric, Unified Memory Controller and System Memory to always run at their highest frequency. Set SoC Uncore OC mode to Enabled. Then save and exit the BIOS. We rerun some benchmarks to ensure everything works as intended and check the performance increase compared to the default settings. Higher is better, and all of our benchmark scores are higher. The geomean performance improvement is plus 5.60%, and we get a maximum improvement of plus 14.80% in PY prime. The highest core clock reported in the operating system is 5250 MHz. When running the OCCT CPU SSE stability test, the average CPU core effective clock is 4771 MHz with 1.22 volts. The average CPU temperature is 95.1 degrees Celsius. The average CPU package power is 117.2 watts. And that's it. I thank you for watching and the patrons for the support, and see you next time.